All right, let's put all of our operators in action and let's use a Venn diagram to help us out just a little bit. So our universal set has the letters that spell artichokes, okay? And we have sets A with various elements and set B, same thing. All right, so as far as putting these items in the Venn diagram, let's see, do we have any overlap between set A and B? Well, it appears that they both have C. So let's put that letter in the overlap section. How about H? No, H just appears to be in set A. How about A? A also just appears to be in set A. How about R? Well, that appears to be in both sets A and B. How about I? Well, that's just set in set A. How about O? Well, that appears to be in both. And then T also appears to be in both sets A and B. Well, that helps us out with set B because it looks like the only two elements that were not also in set A were K and E. All right, so remember the universal set had letters ARTICHOKES. And let's see if there were any letters that weren't in both of those sets, or at least one of them. Okay, so A appears to be in set A, R is in both, T is in both, I was in set A, C was in both, H was in set A, O was in both, K was in set B, E was in set B, and S appears to be in neither one of them. So I can just write that element. I don't care where you put it as long as it's in the universal set, but it's not in set A or B. So this has made it a little bit easier to list the elements in A union B. That remember that's in set A or B or both. Now don't forget your braces when you list these elements. So it looks like I've got H, A, I, C, R, O, T, K, and then E. Sometimes people will just list all of the elements in A and then they will add like the K and the E that were in B but not in A. All right, so list the elements in A intersection B. So we're looking at the elements that were in both A and B, and that would be elements C, R, O, T. Again, don't forget your braces. Okay, list all of the elements that are in the complement of A. So we're looking at listing the elements that are not in A at all. So let's look at the ones we're in set B, so the B, K, and E. And how about this S that was it was not in A or B? Okay, now let's list the elements in the difference of B and A. So what we're going to do is think about all the elements in set B, but we're going to remove the elements that had anything to do with set A. Well, that just leaves us with elements K and E.